Hello, tonight we come up for Pidgin after match talk. How you see him. I beg if you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, show area and love normally so that we go fit continue to the bring on this Ogbonge doings. Them Manchester United 3 and Leicester City 0. And we get Oga here who will be like saying that Ogbonge Man U fan may come tell us about how he see this game. Oga Yeru, when Rashford score, he say una get one new nickname for Marcus Rashford for area. I beg. Tell us that new nickname when una don't give Rashford for area. Make country people see here for your mat.
Only that one nickname when you will give us when you don't talk like this. Oh, you sure you're from my body? I see the pour me water. As in,
That guy name.
the guy name, now they call Rashid, the boy. That name, as I hear my guy mad. Okay, Rashid, now your name. I love the name.
How you see your team performance for the game?
The performance was so brilliant. For the first half, actually, they won't take the game to play. Like waiting one of my guys talk so many days. He say Man U na one club where like say first half they give you the chance to do what you get to do best. If you not fit perform well, okay, second half they'll take over the game for you. And with that second half, they'll go deal with you better deal with. See Barca Man U match. Barca they first give Barca the opportunity to score. But actually, if they not score first half, second half they can score. I will let them know say we will Manchester United. They will can score. We call equalize, call they win them. I don't know how they do pass when they come go equalize us. I see the same chance now we give Leicester City today. They try press. Then if they score, let me make one statement. Maybe they score now because when we go get our chance, we go score them. I never talk more about match. Who they call Rashidi? You all carry yourself go. Now I like to go. So today performance was so brilliant.
So I want to ask you about one new player when join Manchester United. When this player don't come, we don't see different people when talk different things concerning the player. I want to ask you about Weghorst. How you see Weghorst performance for today match?
To the fans, we go only talk say na short 9, like the name when I give am. Why I say give Rashford, Rashidi so. That's how I go give Weghorst short 9. Why I go call her short 9 be say all the game when they play, I know they see impact. But the coach when he sign her come, get reason why he sign her come. So we not go fit interfere with the reason. So and so long we see they win our matches they come, we go see to say okay, the coach dey try and the reason probably it go come to pass for the for him to sign that short 9 we got.
So who can be your man of the match for today performance?
They no dey ask that kind of question twice now. You know, Rashidi dey there. Now they collect am. Now they talk am twice. Who talk twice? Now na beat go collect. Na Rashidi.
So Manchester United go face Barcelona for Old Trafford on Thursday for the second leg of that playoff after the 2-2 draw for Camp Nou. As a Man U fan, what do you predict for that match?
I dey predict 2-0 for Manchester United to win. But my advice for me to Barcelona, make them tighten their bets. Because Old Trafford now, Ten Hag don make out to be fortress. And to break fortress not dey easy. So make them prepare, wait for that match. Even though they prepare, they go still lose. But if at all, make them still prepare.
So before I let you go, how you see the title race? Because it be like say Arsenal be done dey give gap to Man City. They come begin drop points. Man City come near them. Then now we don't see Man City we can't drop points yesterday. Arsenal can't win. How you see the title race? Manchester United now don't near Man City for back. How you see the title race this season?
I not to see any much thing about the title race because even myself I dey support Arsenal to win the title. Because why I go put full attention on Arsenal, man no go put full attention on Manchester United at the end. They'll come fail. It go give me a heartbreak. But if Arsenal still win am, I go see happy. May let Pep Guardiola know say Premier League not be easy side they call the win league back to back so easily like that. Not be like La Liga, Bundesliga and the rest. May know say yes, Premier League na hard side.
All right now, Oga Yero, thank you for your time. My country people, now lawyer boy across where they lawyer like lawyer me. I say make I thank una as you take watch this our content. But make you don't forget to show us love. Press that subscribe button, like our content, and make you share them with your friends and family. And also the way you go take follow us for the different social media platforms, they for the description for inside this video.